Hi everyone, Darko here. So what's new for this year, 2021 is, oh geez, now it's a bit windy. I need to go back in here. So what's new for this year, 2021 is actually, we have flash webinars, right? And what I do is that we just decide a day and a time where we just have a flash webinar. We open the room, and what's new is that I ask a member to grab the mic and actually do a full top-down analysis for us. And when I have the opportunity to give him or her feedback, and today was actually the first time we did this. We have never done this before. So I just hooked up with this person, and we were like a couple of more people in the room, and he grabbed the mic and he did a full top-down analysis on Aussie CAD, and he did that also on USD yen by request from another member in that flash webinar. And this guy was like spot on. He just did everything right. He said everything right, and I had never spoken to him before, so I had to ask him, hey, you know, for how long have you been with me? And we had some internet connection issues. His internet was not good, so the sound was cutting. So he answered me, said 3 months. I said, I thought he said 7 months. He was like, wait a second, did you say 7 months or did you say 3 months? And he said, no, I've been with you for 3 months. We are going on to the 4th month. I said, how in the world can you be grasping everything I've been doing and you are like spot on everything in 3 months? It's just impossible. You have to be genius. And he was like laughing. No, you just know I've been with you like 3 months and this is my 4th month. And I was amazed. Like I haven't heard so much from him on the chat room or anything. He's not like super active in the chat room, which is completely fine. Obviously, he's been observing a lot. So I was like, geez, this guy is like a very high level of stage 3 trading in 3 months. I didn't know that was possible, and I told him that. And you can actually hear my reaction to his comment live, because I didn't see this coming. So we just grabbed the mic and had a chat, you know, and he was like spot on, and it just encouraged me to see like, hey, you know, it is actually possible for people to grasp everything in 3 months. I didn't thought it was possible. And, you know, and I told him that before summer, you will definitely be a stage 4 trader. And I'm like so proud and so thrilled. And we will be doing this like frequently. We will be grabbing the mic and somebody else will do I give them the screen and the mic. They do a full top down, and I have the opportunity to give them feedback. So yeah, I just want to share that news with you. Just like I'm thrilled, happy, proud. So yeah, I'm looking forward to the next time we will have a flash webinar. So yeah, thank you so much for listening, and have a great day. Cheers.